What we're going to take a look at here is how to grade assignments that have been submitted to you through Schoology by your students. And we're going to look at two different types of assignments. We're going to look at a regular Schoology assignment just using the Schoology tools. And we're also going to look at the Onedrive Assignment App assignment, meaning you have used that app and included a document from your OneDrive, and that generates a copy for all of your students. So we're first going to take a look at the OneDrive Assignment App sample so that you can see how to grade. So in order to grade, again, you will get notifications of anything that has been submitted to you here as well as in your notification area. But one of the easiest ways is to just go directly to the assignment, and this will give you a notification of anybody who has submitted something. Now, in terms of the OneDrive Assignment app, it looks a little bit different than the other type of assignment, the regular Schoology assignment. So in order to grade a OneDrive Assignment app, you're going to come over to where it says Submissions. So if students have submitted, you will get a list of students here. So I can see here that I have one student that has submitted this. So what I can do is I can come up here to the top, and when I click on this little grading area, this is a resubmission, so it would normally be blank. I can come up here and then I can assign my point value and I can assign my comment. And then you will also have the option to share this gradebook comment with your student. And I'll show you what the students will see on their end after this. And then I'm going to click Save. If I wanted to make any changes to the student work, I can open up their assignment, and this will open up their assignment in a new tab. And because this is a OneDrive Assignment app, it's going to open it up in the online version of whatever type of document that I included with the assignment. In this case, it's a Word document. So I could actually leave comments using Microsoft Word, and I could also make changes if I wanted to edit the assignment or leave the student any kind of note within their actual submitted assignment. So that is another option as well. I'm going to close this tab so I can go back over to Schoology. And now I'm going to jump back over to my course, and we're going to take a look at how to grade the other type of assignment that I have in my little assignment folder here, which is just a general Schoology assignment, and I didn't use the app for this particular assignment. So I'm going to come on over here. Now you can see when I click on this assignment, the submission process where I'm going to be finding the submissions and grading looks very different than the OneDrive. So for this particular type of assignment, I'm going to come over here, and any students that have submitted the assignment, again, I will see a list here, and then I'm just going to click on the student who I want to grade and look at their work. So you can see here the work is going to load. This was just a sample. And in this case, the student uploaded their work that they created in a Word document, and this is what it looks like. So I could just put a grade directly in here, and I could also make a comment. Or, in addition, I have the ability to use some drawing tools on here so that I can write directly on this and make comments directly on the page. That works best if you are using a touchscreen device and you have a stylus. That is the best method to using that particular form of editing on this document. So I'm just going to put in my grade, and I'm going to put in my comment, and I'm going to check Show to Student. Again, that's optional, and I'm going to click Submit. And then if I had other students who had submitted this, there would be an arrow, and I would be able to manually move over to the next student and continue grading pretty seamlessly. Since I'm done, I'm just going to click this X, and this will bring me back to the assignment. I'm going to jump over now to a student view so you can see how the students will be able to view their grades. We are in the student view now, and one of the easiest ways for students to actually view the grades and comments that you give them is to go over to the grades section of the course. So if they click on grades, you can see here this is divided up by category. The way I graded all of these is by category. So those two assignments were a category that I created called Assignments. So you can see here's the OneDrive Assignment app sample that I graded before, and I can see my grade, I can see job well done, and then I also can see my second one, which is a regular Schoology assignment. I also can see my grade here as well as the comment. The other way that students can view their grades is by actually going back to the assignment itself. So if they were to actually go back over and re-click on that assignment that they already submitted to you, they will also be able to view their grade. So if I go ahead and I click on my document, this is the document they had submitted, they can see their grade here. So it's a few more clicks to do it this way. Grades is probably the easiest method, but there is more than one method for students to be able to view their grades.